Today, everybody, Brian from quantlabs.net. This is going to be my first long form video on YouTube. This is very important. If you don't want to watch it, I'm going to be honest with you. I will not give a flying F what happens, what goes on, but this is pretty extreme what I'm about to show you. All right, so I've been watching this channel called Anton is Here. Very high production, very high quality videos. If you go to Anton is Here on his YouTube channel, look up popular, you want to watch this video. This is where you, if you are living in the West and pretty well globally, if you're not going to watch this, as I said, I don't give a flying F on where you end up in life. But I'm sending this out to anyone that's watching this and cares about their long term survival and longevity. You may want to watch this video because this will fully explain what will happen if the West and primarily the US does go through financial stress. We're not talking wars here, we're just talking macroeconomic collapse, financial ruin of countries like the US. Okay, so basically in the summary, what's said is Caracas, Venezuela did very well under the previous Chavez because it was super socialist when the price of oil was going up. Once that dried up uh, and Chavez died, Maduro came in and things went to rat crap from there and Venezuela collapsed. They were once one of the most wealthiest countries in South America and they collapsed. After that, you can watch and you already know the crime and other things that went on with the controlled dollar, their bolivar, which basically went worthless, the crime, the gangs, the food rationing, and virtually people selling like basically junk in the streets to survive. And many people that you know about the migrants going in the States, most of them are coming from Venezuela. Okay. So that's potentially the future. So what I did was today I put up basically three videos, and this was a request from my YouTube or my TradingView audience. So here I've got three videos. Okay, you're gonna have to find these on your own. Okay, I'm not here to basically sugarcoat and whatnot, but I'm gonna also provide you a solution. We are in our second day of trading for uh, 2024. This is where it gets scary. Okay, so in here, in this video here, 20 minutes long, in there is the analysis on Treasury. In a synopsis, so this video on my live at Quant Labs channel, just look for this video entitled 2024 Outlook for Tough Oil and the Leading Crypto Leaders. Right now, they are predicting oil is going to have a tough year. Fine. I think it's due to demand destruction. The other thing is that I put in there is the analysis on treasuries. As you know, there's different durations, the 5-year, 10-year, and up to the 30-year treasury. In that video on TradingView, I show you the different durations. Once you start to have your short-term duration, let's say your 5-year and your 30-year, and once those price action and the potential return on those particular durations on the long and short term start to widen, that's when you start to have problems. You start to see your 10-year treasury go up to beyond the danger zone of 4%. Right now, on January 3rd, we're already approaching 4%. That may continue to rise. That's because of the debt, the deficit spending that they've been going out of control in 2023. And in a few weeks at the end of January, you guys are going to be faced in the US with another potential government closing because you guys virtually run out of money. The US government will run out of money at this point. And I hate saying it, the bastards of the politicians just keep kicking that can down the road, and they've been doing that for the last 10 years. There will be the day when you will have to meet your maker. No ifs, ands, or about it. And if they don't do anything about it, it'll be the markets that will force it. Okay. And then you're going to have a real problem. So, as you know, in 2023, banks started to collapse, the big ones, the SVB, and all those banks. This is the reason when I show on these two durations, when those durations start to diverge, okay, you have a breaking point when things start to break. And when I'm talking about the breaking point, I'm referring to the US financial system. The entire everything that the economy, everything is built upon collapses. That is why you have the market conditions force this upon the Fed and the US government to respond. If you are not aware of what's going on, God will need to help you, okay? Because you will enter into potentially Mad Max world if you watch that Venezuela video. I'm not here to scare you. I am here to educate you. And I'm only going to say this once in this probably video you need to know about. So if you're looking for a predictable way to know when this is coming and which will impact the US dollar, the DXY, your whole entire financial stability and future will rest on this technique, call it. The spread of the 5 and 30 year treasury when it diverges, it will cause calamity and banks will fail. This is what you need to look out for. So, are there any solutions? Well, good for you and lucky there is. In here, I show you the early indicators and predictable ways to find when this is about to happen. It's proven. I've shown it in that video. And if you can't watch another 20-minute video on top of another video and just want to go back to your playing games, go back into the matrix, smoke your pot, and escape all the world problems, because I can guarantee you the ugly parts of the world will heavily impact you in your family. And if you're a parent and you're in charge of your kids' future may depend on this. And this is pretty scary in that video what I show. Now, if you're looking for a solution, I've got it right here. And again, I'm using the Tradingview on how to do basic back testing, knowing what to look for, knowing what you need to know to find profitable, predictable, low volatile trading uh, assets. I go over both momentum based, and that's what we've had for the last 10 years to make everybody lazy, thinking that, oh, the market conditions will continue to go up and we're going to continue to have momentum in the market. That may not be anymore because we are now very close to that breaking point. And I've already explained and I've already shown on a video you can watch on the impact of that. After this, I don't give a flying F. I am pretty well, for me, probably going to liquidate in the next few months and move elsewhere where I'll be okay. But I'm trying to show you predictable ways to watch these important and critical treasuries, especially on the different durations. So back to this video, easiest, most profitable way to backtest trading strategy bots. I show examples on how to look for, based upon time frame, profit factor, on looking for momentum-based strategies and trading asset opportunities. Those are based around momentum, predictability. Guess what? That easy money is now done. Okay. That's why you have high interest from the Fed. That's why you have inflation. Whatever you listen to saying that they're going to be able to taper this, especially on Happy Pill, Bloomberg, and CNBC, they are outright lying to you. They're trying to pass you over, pacify you, to continue for you to watch that those radio, TV to bring you back in. Because if they scare you, they know they're gonna lose you as a viewer among the masses. So they're gonna give you a bunch of lies. Okay, but this is truth. This is what I'm showing you is truth. So if you want to know how to basically know what to look for, and then after that, with even a free Tradingview account, what to look for and what to trade in an automated way with Tradingview and PineScript, I show you certain assets and what to look for. I mean, I got a another world you can move beyond that to know what moves, what's in defense as a defense. And even if you go into what is probably the hardest trading condition, flat markets, mean reverting markets, and there's opportunities there. And this video again will show you how to do that. This video is 45 minutes for free. For free. You can watch to show you how to do it all within TradingView. Beyond that, I'm not going to do any more of these highly valued videos. Okay, this is to help you. We're in a new year, new brave world we're upon, and nobody knows where it's going to go. But we are virtually at a breaking point because the government ain't going to save you. You got to know this stuff uh, for sure. So again, these are videos. I'm going to go through them again and make sure you clearly get this. Crypto 2024 outlook for tough oil with the latest crypto leaders. Okay, especially what you want to watch in this video is the treasury section. Okay, if you don't have the patience for it, just go back to La La Land. You'll be okay, and you take your medication, and you'll be okay. All right, but don't be surprised if things over the long run turns into Mad Max world. I'm not. Nobody's going to help you. Okay, but you got the warnings now, and you got the indicators and what to look for to predict it. The other one that you want to watch is the easiest and most profitable way to backtest trading strategy bots if you're a trader and want to go defensive and know how to look for proper strategies and know what to look for in certain instruments, be it stock, be it even gold, even ETF, whatever. Right now, what I'm seeing outside of this are currencies and the defensive currencies, specifically the Scandinavian currencies are starting to move up. These are the safe players right now, not gold. Well, gold somewhat, but that's manipulated. But the free flowing, the one to also look for is gold, silver ratio, and the Scandinavian currencies to look for. That's it. If you want to know more, get on my email list. Okay, you'll get my trading books, all that, and stay on my email list because we're going to go through some radical changes, new website, new community on Discord. And there's other obviously places to go if you want to learn about TradingView. This is really important to know if you want to like thrive and survive because time, I hate saying it, is running out. If you don't believe me, you want to know what the future is, just watch this video about Caracas and Venezuela and what the government has done. Food rationing, crime, gangs controlling a lot of the areas, and people can't even find work and they're selling crap in the streets to get by. This is where we're at. Okay. The economy virtually collapsed during the Maduro time period, and watch it. Okay. I can't say any more than that. Have a good day. And get on my email list right below you. You got quantlabs.net/blog books and get on that, get the stuff, and just stay on the email list. Okay. Over and out. And get on TradingView because that will help you quite easily save yourself if this is the case. Over and out.